Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing your preparation for your exam. So, this is your revisional video from LPM Public School, and this is your subject teacher of English. Dear students, as you all know, your school is closed due to the cold wave. So, that's why I am here to giving you a revisional video. Okay, students. So, without wasting the time, let's start the today's video. In my previous video, we have to revise chapter number 1 and 2. So now today we are going to revise the chapter number 3. So dear students, this is the chapter number 3 that is given in your English reader book, and the name of this chapter is Down, Down, Down. And first of all, we are going to revise the word meaning of this chapter. So here you can see at your screen there is a word meaning. So the first word that is given, pop down. The first word is pop down, and tell me what the meaning of pop down? The meaning of pop down is here quickly jump into. The meaning of pop down is here quickly jump into. Okay. Now the next word is think nothing of. Think nothing of. And what the meaning of think nothing of? That is here never be afraid of. Okay. Now the next one is miles. Next one is the third word, that is miles, and the meaning of miles is 1 mile equal to 1.6 kilometer. Okay, 1 mile equal to 1.6 kilometers. Now the next word, that is dozing off. Okay, dozing off. What the meaning of dozing off? That is falling asleep. The meaning of dozing off is falling asleep. Now the next one, the next word is passage, that is meaning of passage is corridor or tunnel. Corridor or tunnel. Now the next one is number 6, that is run like the wind. Run like the wind, and the meaning of run like the wind is ran very fast. The meaning of run like the wind, ran very fast. After that, the next word is number 7, that is oh my ears and whiskers. Oh my ears and whisker, and the meaning of oh my ears and whisker, that is a way of showing surprise. A way of showing surprise. So these are the word meaning of chapter number 3. After completing word meaning of this chapter, we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise A. In exercise A, there is a exercise complete these sentences with correct option. Okay student, we have to complete this given sentence by choosing the correct option. Okay, as you can see there is a 2 option. We have to choose the correct one, and after that write down the given blanks. Okay, so first stage, Alice was getting tired of having nothing to dash. So what will we write here? Here are 2 options, as you can see. Option number A is do, and option number B is read. So which one is correct? We all know that option number A is correct, so we have to write here do. So Alice was getting tired of having nothing to do. Okay, like this we have to complete the first sentence. Now moving to the next sentence, that is Alice had never before seen a rabbit wait. It is a sentence. Students, sentence number 1 is Alice had never before seen a rabbit with. So here again 2 options. First one is option number A is a waistcoat pocket and a watch, and option number B is pink eyes. So tell me which one is correct. So the option number A is correct. So we have to write option number A on the given blanks, that is a waistcoat, pocket and a watch. So the sentence will be Alice had never before seen a rabbit with a waistcoat, pocket and a watch. Okay. Now moving to the next sentence, that is number 3. And Alice jumped down the rabbit hole without stopping to dash. So here are again 2 options, take off her shoes, and option number B is think how she would get out again. So tell me which one is correct. So option number B is correct. So what will we write? We will write option number B on the given blanks, that is think how she would get out again. So the full sentence will be Alice jumped down the rabbit hole without stopping to think how she would get out again. Now the next, number 4. In number 4, there is a as she fell, Alice thought about dash. So what would we write? Here are 2 options again, that is her sister and bats and cats. So option number B is correct. So we will write option number B on the given blanks. So the sentence will be, as she fell, Alice thought about bats and cats. Okay. Now the next, number 5. In number 5, there is a, after Alice finally landed at the bottom of the well, she, so here we have to write option number A, that is correct, leapt to her feet and started chasing the rabbit again. Okay, the sentence of number 5 is, after Alice finally landed at the bottom of the well, she leapt to her feet and started chasing the rabbit again. Okay, student. Now, after completing exercise A, now we are moving to the next exercise, that is exercise B. In exercise B, there is a answer this question. Okay, answer this question. So first question is, where was Alice sitting? Where was Alice sitting? So the answer will be, Alice was sitting by her sister on the river bank. Okay, the answer will be, Alice was sitting by her sister on the river bank. Now the next question is question number 2, that is, why did Alice not like the book that her sister was reading? Why did Alice not like the book that her sister was reading? So the answer will be, Alice did not like the book that her sister was reading because it had no pictures and conversation in it. Okay. The answer is, Alice did not like the book that her sister was reading because it had no pictures and conversation in it. Now the next question, question number 3, that is, why did Alice decide to chase the rabbit? Why did Alice decide to chase the rabbit? So we will write the answer that Alice decided to chase the rabbit because she had never seen a rabbit wearing a waistcoat and carrying a watch in his pocket. The answer is, of question number 3, Alice decided to chase the rabbit because she had never seen a rabbit wearing a waistcoat and carrying a watch in his pocket. Okay, student? Student, next exercise is exercise D, that is, you have to match this given word with join with their pair. Okay, so the first is bread, so we have to match bread with butter. So just like that, salt, so we have to match salt with pepper. Next is third, needle, so we have to match needle with the thread. And after that, number 4 is cup, so we have to match cup with a saucer. And next, the last one is number 5, hammer, so we have to match hammer with nail. Okay, just like that we have to complete this matching work. Now after this, the next is complete the sentences in your own words. So the first is, to have a conversation means to talk with someone. So just like that, second we have to feel, that is to mute to oneself means to talk to yourself. After that, walks for miles means to walk for a long distance. After that, to walk hand in hand means to walk holding hands. After that, to run like the wind means to run very fast. Okay, student? Now in exercise G, we have to write M for masculine, F for feminine, N for neuter, and C for common gender. Okay, student? So first of all, we will see the given words. So first word is Alice, and Alice is a feminine, so we have to write here F. After that, next is village, so village is a neuter gender, so we have to write here N. After that, mother, so mother is a feminine gender, so we have to write here F. Next, child is a common gender, so we have to write here C. After that, later is a neuter gender, so we have to write here N. Number 6 is aunt, aunt is a feminine gender, so we have to write here F. After that, number 7, so father is a masculine gender, so we have to write here M. After that, pupil, that is common gender. Number 9 is house, that is neuter gender. Number 10 is sparrow, that is a common gender. Number 11 is a soap, that is a neuter gender. Number 12 is an artist, that is a common gender. So we have to write here C. So just like that, we have to complete exercise G. Now the next one is next exercise, that is given exercise number H. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. So we have to choose the correct option and after that write down the given blanks. Okay. So first is Alice dash was busy reading her book. So here are 4 options. First is sister, A is sister, B is brother, C is tigress, and D is cook. So we all know that Alice's sister was busy reading her book. So option number A is correct. So we have to take the option number A and write down on the given blanks. Now the next is second. The dash dropped his tray on the way to our table. So here are again four options: waitress, princess, daughter, and waiter. So we have to choose the correct option, that is waiter. Option number D is correct, and after that we have to write down on the given blanks. Now the next is Sarah's dash is the headmistress of this school. Here are again four options: brother, grandmother, postman, and uncle. So the correct option is grandmother. Option number B is correct. So we have to tick and after that write down on the given blanks. Now the next number 4 is there are many dash playing in the park today. So we will choose the correct one, that is option number B, children. There are many children playing in the park today. Okay students, so just like that we have to complete all the exercises of chapter number 3. Now we moving to the next chapter, that is chapter number 4. Student, tell me what's the name of chapter number 4? Do you know? Yes, you have already learned this chapter in your previous classes. And student, the name of this chapter is Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Okay, it is a very interesting story that we have already taught you. So now today we're going to revise the word meaning and exercises of this chapter. So first of all we're going to learn the word meaning, that is word and meaning. So first word is daring and bold. The first word is daring and bold, and the meaning of daring and bold is full of courage. Okay. Second is sly, that means cunning. Third is so called, it means here not actually real. Fourth is capped in, it means collapsed, fell open. Okay. The next is capped in, it means collapsed, fell open. Now the next is nest, that is small opening or shelf in a wall. After that, number 6, keep him from all harm, it means protect him. Number 7 is priceless, that is so valuable that they cannot be priced. Number 8 is boulder, that means huge rock. And number 9 is behold, it means old English for look or see. Now the next, after this word meaning, we're going to do the next, that is exercise A. In exercise A, read the sentences and answer the question, that is first sentence is please help me uncle. Okay, the first sentence that is given in exercise A, that is help me uncle. So the question is question number A, who said this word and to whom? Who said this word and to whom? So the answer will be Aladdin said this word for the magician. Okay. Now the next question, question number B, that is why did the speaker need help? Why did the speaker need help? So we will write answer Aladdin need help because it was not easy for Aladdin to climb up the step with the lamp in one hand. Okay. Now the next question is what happened after the speaker said this word? What happened after the speaker said this word? So the answer will be when the Aladdin refused to give the lamp, the old man placed a boulder at the opening of the cab and went away. Now the next, the second statement, that is I am your slave and you are my master. So the first question is who said this word and to whom? So the answer will be Genie said this word to Aladdin. Now the next is how did the listener feel on hearing this word? So the answer will be the listener felt surprised on hearing this word. Okay. Now the next is question number C, that is what did the speaker do for the listener? So the answer will be Genie fulfilled all the wishes of Aladdin. Okay student. Now the next question is exercise B, that is answer this question. So the first question is what did the stranger give Aladdin and his mother? The first question is what did the stranger give Aladdin and his mother? So the answer will be the messenger gave fine clothes, fresh fruit and food to Aladdin and his mother. The second question is what did the Aladdin find when he went down the steps? So the answer will be Aladdin found that cave was filled with the treasure and he also saw a golden tree with fruits of rubies and emeralds. Okay, now the next is question number 3, that is why did the stranger leave Aladdin in the cave? Who was he really? So the answer will be the stranger was a cunning magician. He want only the lamp, and when Aladdin refused to give him, he placed boulder at the opening of the cap. Okay. Now the next question, question number 4, that is question number 4 is, how did Aladdin escape from the underground cave? So the answer will be, Aladdin escaped from the underground cave by help of magic ring. Okay, Aladdin escaped from the underground cave by help of magic ring. Now the next question is question number 5. What trick did the magician play on Aladdin the second time? So the answer will be, the magician made a plan. He took a basket full of lamps and went around calling, change your old lamp for a new one. Okay. Now the last question, question number 6 is, how did Aladdin get back his palace and his princess? So the answer will be, Aladdin got back his palace and the princess with the help of genie of the ring. Okay student, so these are the question answer of chapter number 3 and 4, and there are some exercises. So student, you have to revise this all question answer and word meaning. You have to keep this all in your mind for your examination. Okay student, I hope is that clear to you that how could you prepare for your examination. So that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.